Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about one interesting topic. Before going into the topic, right? I am not a SEBI registered analyst or advisor. Just this is for the educational purpose only. And also, whatever the stocks I am discussing here, it's not a recommendation for the buy or sell. Just the concept I wanted to explain you. That is where the intention behind this video. Okay, there is a concept of pair trading. The pair trading means whatever the stock which is bullish, right? What institutions does is, if the stock is bullish, okay, go for the long. That means buy this stock, buy this future. Okay, whatever the weak in the same sector, let's take banking sector. In the banking sector, HDFC showing some strength means they will buy the HDFC future or stock. At the same time, what they does is, within the sector, if any stock is weak, okay, then they will short it through the options or futures, something like that they will do. Okay, this is one process. The second way, right? If the stock is at discounted level, any stock is at discounted level, for the sake Hindustan Unilever, okay, any stock at the higher valuations, very higher valuations, okay, what they does is they will book the profit here and park the money here for the time being. Okay, this is shifting the rotation, doing the rotation. That rotation is clearly happening in the market, okay, where I wanted to show you here. Okay, if you see, right, these are the stocks. Let me go to the stocks. Okay, this I selected. What happening was, let me take the banking sector. If you take HDFC Bank, right, last 1 hour, okay, huge quantities bought in the HDFC Bank. At the same time, these are the banks last few hours, right? Axis Bank, if you see, right, this is the 25 minutes chart where last 25 minutes, here the shorting happened. Kotak Bank, in the Kotak Bank, a good amount of sell-off came. Another bank is ICICI Bank. Let me go to the ICICI Bank. Okay, that means in the last 25 minutes, people exited from the these banks which are very weak, and also the HDFC Bank which fallen more and it is at the discounted level. So money booked here, which is in the higher valuations, SBI, okay, higher valuations, and shifted to the money into this bank for the next week, maybe next week or next couple of weeks, couple of days, we are not sure. That means the money flowed from this banks to HDFC Bank. Similarly, you take the insurance sector, okay, SBI Life. If we see the SBI Life, right, lot of buying interest we saw in the HDFC Bank. Okay, if we see SBI Life, whereas if we see, right, what happening, HDFC Life, some sell-off is there, ICICI Pru Life, some sell-off is there. That means the people are showing buying interest in the SBI Life. For the counterpart, they are shorting this other two companies. Similarly, IT sector, if you see, right, TCS looking very strong. That's what the buying interest shown in the TCS, whereas HCL Tech, you take the HCL Tech, buying interest shown in the HCL Tech, other three companies, okay, Wipro, which is little bit fundamentally not strong, there is no momentum. That is where people shifted the money, booked here, shifted to the TCS, booked here, shifted to the TCS. Okay, Infi, booked in the Infi, shifted to the TCS. Okay, booked from the Wipro, shifted to the HCL Tech. You assume like that. Booked from the Tata Tech Mahindra, shifted to the HCL Tech. So these two companies, these three companies booked, shifted to the TCS. Okay, we are understanding, right? Similarly, the Reliance, if we see, right, the Reliance which is equal weight, little lower weight than HDFC Bank, that is where same way if Reliance, somebody is booking from the Reliance and shifting to the HDFC Bank. So other companies, if you take, right, Hindustan Unilever, let me take the Hindustan Unilever. This is where the money shift from cheaper valuations from the higher valuations. What happening in the last couple of hours, Hindustan Unilever heavy buying is there. Okay, if we see. Similarly, if we go to the other companies, right, Nestle India. What happened? Money booked from this company shifted to the Hindustan Unilever. ITC, yesterday it was 2% up, but last minute pushed the money, pushed it down. Okay, booked the money, shifted to the Hindustan Unilever. That means we are from this exercise, right, we are clearly seeing that some stocks are booking, some stocks are buying in the same sector. What it means, either they might be creating the pair trading, or if any stocks they feel which is low quality or it is higher valuations, book it and move to the lower valuations or more corrected companies. So some gain is there, they are booking the gains, shifting to the companies where they shorted the things. To prove this, right, if further also we can see, it is too early stage, we are not sure whether we can also see the short covering is happening or not in the futures. Okay, or future build up. If we see the future build up, right, here the short build up, maybe tomorrow it may change. Okay, as of now still it is in the bearish side only. This is little bit early stage. Short covering, that means long term short covering is happening. Somebody, whoever shorted, they are booking the profits. Okay, in the short term outlook still it is in the short mode only, but long term outlook people started taking out from the HDFC Bank. Okay, whatever the short positions are there, they are taking out. ITC, if we see, in the long run it is long build up, long unwinding. Long unwinding means whoever purchases the ITC stocks, they are exiting. Okay, similarly Nestle India, see, this is in the long term, right? Long term means last couple of days, whoever bought it. In the short term, yesterday or day before yesterday, last 2 days, last couple of hours, okay, started selling, short build up, but relatively it was, if we see, right, Nestle India, relatively it was see it was bullish from lower what is the level 2510 to 26 150 points went up. Okay, now the trend is changing. That means whoever bought at the lower level, they started booking. Now they are shifting the money to the Hindustan Unilever, where maybe 1 or 2 days we will see the change. Similarly, what is the HDFC Bank over ICICI Bank? Okay, this is still we are not seeing SBI Life. This is also short build up is happening. We are not, so sometimes the data also, whatever the data, it might be wrong or it might be too early stage we are seeing. Okay, from couple of exercises, Apollo Hospitals, for example, if we see Apollo Hospitals, right, this is how we have to understand. Okay, where is the booking is happening, where is the money is moving. If we see here, right, this is where the support area. Okay, this is where support area. Last couple of hours, if we see, right, the volumes, buying volumes, slowly people are adding. If we execute Apollo Hospitals, what my system is saying, see, this is the whenever the stock goes into this area, that means it is in the oversold area, in the negative territory. This area, whenever it is here, we have to look only shorting opportunities. Okay, whenever it is coming out, we have to look for the buying opportunities. Okay, this says momentum. Positive momentum means above zero, means positive momentum, not yet. Okay, above zero only we have to look for the long opportunities. Okay, here what it says is, it is basically, it tells what exactly it is happening, accumulation happening or distribution it is happening, last couple of hours what happened. Okay, in the stock, whether buying volumes are increasing or selling volumes are increasing, that tells. Internally there is some algorithms where we can we can capture some buying and selling stocks. Similarly, if we see, right, see, this is the Hindustan Copper. As per my system, what it's showing is, this is the overbought condition. Whenever it is in the overbought, once it reaches to the momentum, comes out from this, we can initiate the trade until as long as this is there in this territory. That means good amount of momentum is there. The moment it comes out from this region, that means momentum is coming down. Okay, there is a probability. Okay, this is not the 100% true system. There is a probability of going for the short. Okay, here also, once this momentum comes below zero, and also this comes even low, here it is showing there are more people, more number of positions, short positions created. Even the prices went up, short positions are created. Let me check this Hindustan Copper. Hind Copper significantly long build up. Okay, here if we see, right, in the long run, in the long term options, that means next month options. Okay, long is unwinding. In the shorter term, maybe yesterday because of the bullish, this 3% of long build up happened, but finally my system showing there is a underlying sell off is coming on in this stock, Hindustan Copper. Similarly, you see the MCX. The MCX, which is having a positive momentum, people started, the long build up is happening, people started buying. Just now it came into the positive territory. Okay, positive momentum territory, but not yet momentum picked up. Okay, short covering means whoever shorted, they wanted to exit because stock wanted to go up. When the stock goes up, right, they will get the loss. That is the reason people started short covering. That is what. But in the long term options, right, long term futures, like next month is still short build up is there. Maybe tomorrow, based on this situation, tomorrow it will change. This also, people slowly, time is there, right, April month, May month, right, time is there, so they will react slowly. This is what our system is saying. Similarly, HDFC Bank also, what my system is saying, in HDFC Bank, last couple of hours, okay, momentum is gaining, last couple of hours people started accumulation, so I can look for the some opportunity here. Since this is the large cap stock, Once it gaps up 1%, it will not move much. So looking the opportunities in this will not be helpful for the intraday. Maybe for the positional, the 1400 PE we can sell, 1450 or 1440 PE we can sell, and we can buy some hedge like 1420 or 1400 PE. We can buy and hold for 2-3 days. We will get 3 to 4,000 rupees. Okay. Container corporation, the same way. What my system is saying, in the container corporation, the momentum is getting positive territory, positive momentum is gaining. Last couple of hours, people started accumulation. The stocks, lot of stocks are buying in this. Okay, the momentum just now, this tells how much momentum is there, this intensity. Okay, for this one, this is the intensity it tells. Okay, this is the momentum based on the previous high where it is, the current market price. There is some algorithm I wrote between the last, this is the 25 minutes candle. That means last 25 minutes candles, 25 candles. In the 25 candles, how the price is reacting, based on that some momentum I calculate. That tells. This came out from the long term oversold zone. It was there. It came out from the oversold. Now it may move up further. If we see Concur, okay, we see, right, the volumes, right, last couple of minutes volumes, buying side volumes are more. Okay, this is how I analyze the stocks for the intraday purpose. So here the concept what I would like to convey you is, there is a paid trading concept where whichever the strong company, buy in that company, whatever the loose company, sell in this. Okay, that means this will fall, this will rise. In case this is also rises, right, equally you are having the buy position here. Between this only loss you will get, very less loss you will get. Okay, if it goes, this is falling, this is rising, both the places you will get the money. This is the important of this is the logic behind the paid trading. And also overnight positions, how it helps for you is, in the cash segment, buy the Hindustan Unilever. If you are holding for the shorter term, sell the ITC for next week, short term. Similarly Zydus Life. Okay, if we see the Zydus Life, which is trading very high, let us see what is happening in the Zydus Life. Okay, in the Zydus Life also, last couple of hours people started selling this, but still momentum is positive momentum only. Okay, still positive momentum is there, so we cannot take the decision yet. Okay, this is what our system is saying. There is even though people are selling in this company, but momentum is still positive momentum. That means if you go to the daily time frame, it might have daily or weekly higher time frame, it might have formed the doji. We are not able to take the decision from our system. Okay, we could not able to see in the short term there is a build up. Okay, there are some buying interest is there in the short term, but in the long term, that's what it is showing. Our systems, what it is showing is, okay, there are some sell orders, last couple of minutes momentum gained. Okay, here the volumes, but this tells based on the last 25 candles, wherever this red is there, right, this red is last 25 minutes, 25 candles, it sold out heavily. This is not filled area is there, right, not filled area. That means the selling is stopped. The moment filled area and not filled area, the moment you see this histogram, right, not filled area, selling is stopped. Okay, selling is stopped, and you see this crossovers. The moment you see this crossover, selling is stopped. This crossover is positive crossover. Once this momentum comes above the zero and breaks out, you can go for the buying opportunity. You can look. Okay, once it breaks this area like 1000, you can look for the buying opportunity. Otherwise, no buying opportunity. Okay, that's all, friends. This is what I wanted to discuss with you guys. How the money flowing, where the money is flowing, we need to understand. Okay, for that only I made this video. Thank you so much.